Hello friends! I just bought a hot water tank for my investment property and I just want to share with you one tip that I learned from my previous house. So if your hot water tank is old and rusty and you paid it already, everything to your rental hot water tank company, and you decide to change it, so sometimes it's a good idea just to buy an Home Depot, usually they're about $1,000, and install new one, right? But the tip is you have to call your hot water tank rental company regarding your old paid off rusty hot water tank, because if you just put it on a curb appeal in front of your house, how I did it, they will charge you. So the 2 years ago they charged me $150 that I didn't return their piece of rusty metal to them. So but if I would call them they would charge me $50 and they will come and pick it up from the curb appeal, but it's listed 3 times less. So the point is, if you changing it, if you decide to buy and put new one, or you decide to switch to another company, call your previous company for them to come and pick it up, because they will charge you